Hey YouTube. A song that a beginner could tackle. It's kind of a cool song. It's called In the City, but it's by The Jam. Joe Walsh has a song called In the City, but I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about The Jam. So there's a kind of a cool riff in there that is very common on the guitar. It's what we call a walk down. So before we go to the riff though, let's the chords are C. Oh, you can play this all in the open position. I know different people teach it different ways, but the chords are C. But when I'm saying playing the C, I'm not playing it like that. I'm going to be playing mostly strings 5 and 4. Going to be doing a lot of muting with your strum hand, because when you play these open position chords, you have to mute a lot with your right hand, and we got a lot of gain on the amp for this kind of distortion sound. So we got to control that with our muting. So we got C, we got a G. The song is in the key of G. We got D, and we got E minor. So that's why I say it's pretty good for beginner. Now that riff is very common, is in a lot of songs, and it starts on the C. Then we play basically a B note over the C. Right, and what we're doing is we're removing our ring finger, and we're taking our middle finger, playing it on the A string at the 2nd fret. Then we play a minor 7. And then it goes to a G. That is the resolution. I want to show you how to play the A minor 7 chord. I think I forgot to do that before. You're just playing the open A, playing your D on the 2nd fret, open G, and then you're playing the B string at the 1st fret. Okay, and that's the 3rd chord in that walk down. C, B over C, and then G is the 4th chord. That's the little rhythm. Then it just goes. You can play like power chord steps. G, C, things I want to say to you, G. You could also do it like this. Playing like basically 8th notes and just doing a lot of palm muting with your strum hand. See, I got my palm right on the strings while I'm doing it, and I'm just pushing down just enough to kind of mute things. You might want to do that. Then it goes to E. That's like a pre-chorus. I want to tell you, I want to say, every time I try, you make me look a fool. And then it's in the city. I forgot there is a bridge to this song. And I know what you're thinking. You still think that I'm crap. Let's cover the bridge, and that's the last part of the song. All right. It's coming out of this section. kind of go to an extended D chord to make the transition. I know what you're thinking. You still think that I'm crap. The D right into that walk down. It hangs on the D though for quite a bit. You're thinking. Think that I'm crap. But I want to tell you, then it goes to a B minor. I forgot that that's in this. What you could do for that is play a minor shape, but play it at the 3rd fret. Works very well because we're doing all this palm muting. We got all this distortion on. So just the 3-string A minor shape, move it up to the 3rd fret. I want to tell you, kids know where it's at. So at that time, instead, it doesn't go, tell you, the kids know where it's at. The C to D. Alright, so all together, we're coming out. I wanna tell ya, you still think that I'm crap. But yeah, you better listen. 'Cause the kids know where it's at. Just D, walk down to C. D, B minor, C, hold it, D, and then back into that riff. If you want to, on the pre-chorus you can go. C, E minor, C, D. Alright, there we go. That's how I play that song. Alright, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.